Number 9, you're going to determine the solutions here. Please understand that the solutions are the x values of the x. They are the x values of the x-intercept. All right. So let's take a look here at A. Notice that the x-intercepts are right here. So this is at the value -5, 0. And this is at 1, 0. So the solutions here would be x is equal to just -5 and x is equal to 1. These are your two solutions here, right? For B, let's look at the x-intercept. So this is -1, 0. And this is, I think this is by 2's. Sorry, so this is -2. So this is -2, 0. And this is 6, 0. So the solution here is x is equal to -2 and x is equal to 6. Okay. C, 2, 4, 0, wait, 0. So I think this is -3 and this is -9. All right. So it looks like, doesn't matter. It doesn't cross. So there are no x-intercepts. So there are no real solutions here, right? Because there's no x-intercept, right? Here, the x-intercepts for this one, I think it's -2, 0. So there's only one solution here is -2. There's only one unique solution here, right? So there you go. That is how you find the solutions of the graph. They're all in